To customize the Excel report attachment, navigate to Excel Options and enable it. You can then define which widgets will be dynamically exported to Excel. In this example, we manually select the chart and pivot from the dashboard. To export all data, set the limit exported rows to 0. You can also choose to add a sheet describing the active filters from the dashboard, merge pivot cells, and decide whether to include or exclude totals in pivot tables. Finally, you have the option to upload the Excel file to an S3 bucket and assign it a custom name. The CSV customization shares similar properties with the Excel file. However, each widget will be exported to a separate CSV file, and the report will include a zipped file containing all the CSVs.